June 14, 2022, the Moon is visible before sunrise in the southwest, along with the morning planets in the eastern sky. The lunar orb is visible about 2 hours after sunset in the southeast. Chart caption -2022, June 14, the bright moon is low in the southwest before sunup. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:15 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:27 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. The nearly full moon is low in the southwest during morning twilight. The official full phase occurs at 6:52 a.m. CDT, nearly 2 hours after it sets in the Chicago area. The planet parade continues from the east-northeast to the south-southeast. Currently 4 bright planets, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are visible during the middle of morning twilight that lasts over 2 hours at this season for latitudes near Chicago. Chart caption, 2022, June 14, Saturn, in the south-southeast before sunrise, is retrograding in Capricornus. 1 hour before sunrise, Saturn is over 1/3 of the way up in the sky, above the south-southeast horizon. It is the dimmest of the 4 planets visible at this hour. The ringed wonder is retrograding, moving westward compared to the starry background, in eastern Capricornus, near the star Deneb Algidi. Retrograde is an illusion as our faster-moving planet overtakes and passes a planet that is more distant from the Sun than Earth. Use a binocular to track the planet's westward progress from week to week. The star Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the southern fish, is about 15 degrees above the horizon, to the lower left of Saturn. Chart caption, 2022, June 14, bright Jupiter and Mars are in the east-southeast during morning twilight. Bright Jupiter, 40.5 degrees to the lower left of Saturn and nearly 30 degrees up in the east-southeast, is 9.4 degrees to the upper right of Mars. The red planet continues to march away from the Jovian giant, separating at about 0.4 degrees each morning. Mars is striding toward an opposition with the Sun on the evening of December 7. Currently in front of the stars of Pisces. By early August, it is near the Pleiades. Chart caption, 2022, June 14, Venus is low in the east-northeast at 1 hour before sunrise. Use a binocular to find the Pleiades star cluster. This star cluster is entering the morning sky, to the left of Venus. The brilliant morning star is about 8 degrees up in the east-northeast and over 44 degrees to the lower left of Jupiter, at this hour. The Pleiades are nearly 7 degrees above the horizon and about 12 degrees to the left of Venus. Use a binocular to find the cluster. Can you see it without the binocular's optical assist? The star Capella, meaning the little she-goat, is above the horizon in the north-northeast, over 40 degrees to the left of Venus. The star Hamal, the brightest in Aries, is over 15 degrees to the upper right of the brilliant planet. Chart caption, 2022, June, Venus moves through the same binocular field as Uranus during the morning planet parade. Venus is still in the same binocular field with Uranus, a challenging observation at this level of twilight. Chart caption, 2022, June 13, Mercury is very low in the east-northeast at 45 minutes before sunrise and to the lower left of Venus. At 45 minutes before sunrise, Mercury is low in the east-northeast, 10.9 degrees to the lower left of Venus. This is another challenging observation because of Mercury's low altitude and the level of twilight. The best part of the morning planet parade begins in 4 mornings, when the moon begins hopping from planet to planet, ending with a close grouping of Mercury and the lunar crescent on June 27. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, June 24, 2 hours after sunset, the bright moon is in the southeast, to the lower left of Antares. The bright moon, over 12 hours after its official full moon phase, is low in the southeast, 2 hours after sundown. It is nearly 25 degrees to the lower left of Antares, meaning the rival of Mars.